well. Showing well featured.
Miller up again. What is Karachi doing here? Serving from this one. Under partnership now over just 55 deliveries. From one delivery over the circle. Mane is on 100.
Yeah, Umar on debut for Karachi. And not the ideal time to be bowling, but you've got someone like Rizwan, 109. Needs to be pushed back, but the way he's clearing the boundary will just be ball watching. Now changes the left again, he might be pushing for another second. No, Ryan Russo has just been a spectator.
He doesn't need to do too much because of this man. He's used pace at times with this on the spin, and then he just opens up leg side, then offside. See how he's still. How he moves around, he stays still. Contact, and when he uses his feet, he comes down, gets his hands through. That's good to see. Imran Tahir, congratulating the opposition captain.
Shot again, breath again, four again.
Length again. Closing in on another 200. Multan. Power down the ground. With the front leg. A little bit of an inside edge as well. Bottom with the back. So much power.
So right gone. That went like a bullet.
It did, I think, the reaction from Imad Wasim as well, because he knows his side are in deep trouble. Ryan Russo will have to go. Either side, it's all they needed to do, get out either side. That's run away for another boundary. He knows. So over to 29 for Tom, 194 for 2.
मतलब बैटर वापस कहीं तो शामिल किया था
Just took everything off that ball, no pace.
I don't mind it. Look, it's a risk. This is expecting perhaps a short delivery. And a rare dot delivery in these final 5 overs. Look at the end of Ryan Russo. Tried to go wide. Ended up another length delivery, and Russo knew that if he could get either side and run away. So last ball, can Multan get to 200?
What 210 on the same pitch the previous game? Probably lived up to its expectations, especially in this last 30 balls, 71 runs at count. Has completed 2 and 196 for 2 is what Multan Sultans have posted on this board.